Okay, and we're now here in step 3 of the first sales funnel approach on the tutorial. And I take two approaches to my sales funnel. And as I explained here in the chart earlier in the overview, which I'm going to click here now and show you, you will see here that I have a way that I drive traffic to the first landing page. This is my number one approach, my first approach. And then I have another approach where I send the traffic directly to the free lead system. Both approaches will send the traffic to my primary business, okay? So let's discuss the first approach, which is sending them to the landing page here with this share code here with Skinny Body Care. This landing page and if we click here, it'll take you to that page so you could see it, and it's going to look like this. They're going to opt in. It says here, 5-year-old debt-free company. They get a free gift just for registering. And that free gift is an introduction to that free lead system, which has a value of $150. Okay, so we're giving something of really great value, offering them for free. They can go in there and use it, begin generating leads for free, and if they want to upgrade, they can. So it's something that we're offering of great value. Now, once they opt in, they're going to go to this next, the video sales page, okay?
Here it is. We got the green light. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, and to all the guests.
All right, give me a second here.
You're watching from around the world. My name is Aaron Parker, and I'm so excited.
Okay, so what we want to do is we want to change the URL that's tied to these links here when they click, and make sure that yours is on there. Okay, there's several of them. One there, one halfway down. Okay, you got to change that one. That one you want to change. And you want to change one that's down here too, way down here. There's 3 of them that you're going to change. The one way at the bottom. Okay. You want to change this one also. And make sure also, this is here. Make sure that your information is on there too, okay? So going back here to this section here, we're going to take this section here, this Hangout section here, and we're going to go to our admin section. and we want to log in to our PLS system, Power Lead system. And you want to go to the website setup. Always remember that when you log in your Power Lead system, if you're planning to take this business serious, these buttons here are going to appear red when you first log in. You want them to be all green because that means that you're fully qualified at all those levels to earn commissions. Otherwise, the commissions are going to pass you up and they're going to be given to those people that are qualified with the green buttons to earn commission. Notice that mine are all green, which means I'm qualified to earn commissions on all those levels. So if you begin marketing and let's say you're sending traffic to your website, all the money you're spending on your marketing and dollars, you're going to be passing it up in form of commissions if you're not qualified to receive money on those levels. Okay, so make sure that you're set up properly before you engage in sending traffic and converting leads. So let's go back here where it says website, go to web pages, go to where it says my web pages. And you're going to notice that down here at the bottom is going to say shared web pages. So the two links here at the Fast Start training that I provide, the share codes, this one here and this one here are going to appear over here where this section is here. Okay, now notice how it says copy. So when they appear here, you're going to press here copy and it's going to make a copy and then it's going to appear over here like you see over here. Okay, you're going to see all of this. So what we want to do is once they appear here where it says SBC Hangout, we want to go ahead and let's edit that one first. Okay, there's only one thing here that you got to do here. Okay, this here you don't need to touch because do not assign a domain because no one's opting into this site here, and this is just a site that you're using for a video sales page in which you're going to then redirect somebody to your SBC landing page where they're going to be signing up. Over here, you're going to see here when you make the copy, it's going to say copy on it. Okay. Copy on it. You can change and edit this to say whatever you want it to say so that you can identify it. Okay. You know, you may want to leave the same verbiage so you can know that it's coming from this explanation here. Now, you want to go over here where it says edit text. And what we're going to do is we're going to edit this button right here. Okay, this button right here, we're going to edit. All right. So that way when people click, they go to your website and not mine. So what we're going to do is these buttons here, we're going to go to admin and the editor back there. Okay, excuse me for this editor. You know, sometimes this can be slow here, trying to scroll. Okay, so let's just go here and drag and scroll down this section. Okay, there you go. That's going to be the first editing section, and you're going to press on there, left click with your mouse, and you're going to click on this little chain link here. Okay, now it's going to open up a window, and you're going to insert there the URL link of your Skinny Body Care website. Okay, and you're going to do that to all three of those middle and one at the bottom. Okay, I'm not going to be scrolling now all the way down because it's a real pain, but you understand where I'm coming from. You have another one here midway through, right below that section, and then you have another one at the bottom. Okay, so once you're finished here, you want to go ahead and save this here. Okay, and let's go to your Skinny Body Care so I can show you where you need to find that link. That tracking link is right over here. When you log into your Skinny Body Care, okay, when you log inside your Skinny Body Care, you're going to go here where it says Source Statistics. Click on Source Statistics. You're going to see Source Statistics, okay? And this is where you create a tracking link for your landing pages for Skinny Body Care. Okay, now you're going to scroll down, and then over here where it says, so your new link would be this one here, okay? Anything that you give it at right here after this equal sign where it says ABC, you're going to get rid of that ABC and put whatever identification that you need to put there to identify what ad campaign that you're running, okay? This is my username. Your username is going to appear on this URL link, okay? So you want to take that URL link and copy it, okay? And let me just show you here on my notepad, on my notes here. Okay. So you want to go ahead and give this a name, and I put mine Power Lead System. Okay, so once you have that done, I don't know why it's taking me here so long. I don't know why my computer's running slow here, but I'm not going to stop now, okay? So we're just going to go ahead and make a copy of that, okay? And we're going to go ahead and go to our administrator here. That's the URL that we're using, okay? So going back here to our administrator, this is the back of our editor again that we're logging into. Okay, and like we said before, the link, we're going to edit it. By going here, pressing the little chain over here, okay, and inserting that skinny body care and pasting it in there, okay? Now mine's already in there, okay? As you notice, the source code here, okay? It says there, Power Team Hangout, all right? So that means that I can find now every time that somebody opts into my skinny body care, I can track in my skinny body care system who is and from where are they coming from, okay? I know always want to track everything, but make sure your link is on it and not mine. Okay, so once you're done with that web page, okay, we can go back to my web pages section, and let's go now to the next landing page, which is the SBC Discover an Amazing Secret, okay, which is this landing page here. We're going to now modify this landing page here, okay? Okay, now this landing page here, you're going to make a copy, just like over here. You're going to find it over here in shared web pages, and it's going to say SBC opt-in landing, which is this one here in your Fast Start training explanation, where it says, that's your share code right here, okay? So this here, you're going to then edit this section here where it says SBC opt-in landing, discover amazing secret. You're going to press edit. Okay. And on this page here, step 1 titles for this web page, you're going to see that it's going to say copy here, so you can name it whatever you want. Okay, I'll leave it the same so you can identify what it is. And here, choose a domain you already have. Okay, so here you're going to choose your domain, and that depends on the advertising you're running, because you're going to create a different domain for every piece of advertising. Okay, so let's say we're going to be starting an advertising campaign. Okay, and let's just name it ABC dash solo ad. I'm sorry, guys. Let me just get out of this notepad. It's driving me crazy. I can't stand it. Okay, let me just write it here. Okay, so let's just say we're going to run a solo ad ABC test. And let's use that name here, solo ad ABC test. Okay, we're going to go and set that up. And let's go to and you're going to learn how to do a domain and a subdomain and a tracking link with the video tutorials that PowerLead system provides. Okay, I'm just giving you here a little bit of a sneak peek of how I would do one, but I want you to be a student of the system and go in there inside and watch the tutorials and really get familiarized with doing a tracking link, a subdomain, a setting up a domain. Okay, so you want to set up a domain, learn how to do a subdomain for every advertisement you're going to run. You're going to have to set up a subdomain and then do a tracking link. Okay, so that's what we're going to do now. Is we're assuming that now you've already bought your domain in here and set it up. So now let's do a subdomain. We're going to log into the website administration area, and we're going to go where it says website, and where it says domains, subdomains, we're going to put manage subdomains. Okay, so here we're going to put here Okay, so I identified here the name of the solo ad ABC test where we're going to buy solo ads. We're just making this up for the sake of this example here. And we're going to create a subdomain under our already bought domain. Okay, this is my domain, powerleadsbuilder.com. And then once you create that subdomain, okay, you're going to be going here and clicking here. Click here to use an existing web page from our library of web pages. And you're going to see that it's going to appear solo-ad-abc-test.powerleadsbuilder, okay? Where it says, I want to attract someone to become a free lead system forever member, you're going to switch here and put become a prospect for whatever I want, okay? You're going to then scroll down and you're going to find here where it says SBC opt-in landing page, discover amazing secret, okay? So you're going to click on that site right there. I'm going to save it. And you'll be able to test it here. If you click on it, it's going to take you to the site, and you can see that that's exactly the landing page, okay, that we're actually working on. All right, so you can close that up. And save my choice. Okay. Now when choosing autoresponder, you want them to get the autoresponder here that says 16 letters, 16 messages. This one right here, okay? From the top down, you go all the way down to here where it says this is free lead system funnel. Promote lead lightning and primary name and email 16 messages by Power Lead System. So you want to make sure you have that one embedded in here. Okay. Then you want to click on here your Aweber. Okay. So you want both this one, and your Aweber. Now, if you don't have Aweber, I really highly recommend you get it, because if you're going to be a professional here, the Aweber is your standalone list builder, okay? You are going to have one here in the Power Lead system, all right? But it's going to be a game changer for you if you get your Aweber, because you'll have a contact manager inside your PLS, and you'll have your Aweber that you can broadcast and maintain a large list over a longer period of time, all right? You can export out of this and import it into Aweber, but you want to start from the beginning this way so you don't have to go through all of that hassle of importing, exporting, and loading them back into the Aweber. So once you have your Aweber there, you can then identify what list they're going to go on. And I do it, I use my Aweber list for pre-enrollees for Skinny Body Care system. So I have two autoresponders, one that's promoting with the Lead Lightning system through the Power Leads system, and then one that is reinforcing and promoting through the Aweber Skinny Body Care, okay, and also the free gift and the free lead system that I'm offering them with the Aweber, okay. So you just now want to go ahead and save it. Before I save it, I just want to take you over to the Fast Start Training here section. And if you scroll a little bit down, I'm going to provide there the Aweber integration. You'll see there, if you plan to set up, oh, for crying out loud, let me get this here back up. Okay. All right, you see there it says Aweber integration. If you plan to set up and integrate Aweber autoresponder and want to merge the email letter series, you are going to need my list code. So I just put my list code here, okay, and you can actually copy all of my email series of your Aweber. This is your Aweber account, okay. You're going to go and select the list here that you have created, okay. And where it says legacy follow-up series, there's a section at the bottom that you can actually put the share code of the list, and I will transfer all of my emails. It would transfer all the emails that I have in this series here to your Aweber, and the only thing you have to do is just edit them and put your information and your links on there, your phone number, your name, your picture, profile, and then you're good to go. Okay, so here's the letter series here. Okay, so if you scroll down here in your Aweber, you're going to see campaign sharing, and you'll see here use predefined campaign by entering the campaign code. That's where you're going to put the campaign code there, or the list, this number here. You're going to stick it in there and load campaign, and it's going to transfer that campaign over. Okay, so that's how you transfer your emails from Aweber, my Aweber, to yours. Okay. What else? Let's see what else we need on this campaign here. Okay, so once you do that, we're going to go back here to the editor webpage of our landing page that we're trying to finish here, where it says choose a domain you already have. Now you can go here and go and search for that drop down menu. And if you notice here, I think we may have to refresh here so that it can appear back here. Okay, so let's just go ahead and refresh here so that it can appear back there so you could see what I'm talking about. Okay, we're going to go back into the editor for the landing page, discover amazing secrets. And we're going to find the domain, that subdomain that we just created for the purposes of tracking our activities with the solo ad community we're going to go with. And we just selected a random test name, calling it solo ad ABC test. And we're back down here in the drop down menu here. So let's click here and see what we see here and see if we find the subdomain we just created. And if we see it right here, solo ad ABC test dot powerline builder. Okay, that's the one we're going to choose here for this example. All right, because we're going to be running a solo ad supposedly at that solo ad ABC company. And over here, if you want to create one from off the fly and do it from here, you can. You can create a new subdomain here off the fly and just use it from here. Okay. Then over here, the survey is the same thing. You want to make sure that your Aweber is connected. We already did that. The FLSF, which is the free lead system funnel, promote lead lightning and primary name and email 16-minute messages. Okay. Make sure that's there. And over here, a page in your website. Okay. You want to choose the SBC Hangout. No opt-in, free access button only. This is the other this is the page that we just edited, which is a sales page, okay? That you want to find here and choose, which is this page here. So after they land on this landing page, they'll end up here, okay? Okay, over here on this page here. So you want to go ahead and find it on your drop-down menu here, SBC Hangout, no opt-in, okay? Free access button only. In other words, there's no opt-ins here on this page. All it is just a button that they press, and they have a free access to the next website right here, okay? They just press that button where it says 100% free access only. Get instant access now, and they go to your Skinny Body Care landing page. So there's no opt-in on this landing page. Okay, and then you can save it. Okay, and you're good to go. Now, I want to show you also that once you get your landing page, your sales page created here, okay, this page here, once it's done, okay, you want to take this landing page here, and you want to copy this page, and you want to edit here, you want to insert this page here, where it says go to account, go to my business, go to referral links, okay, and this is the referral, this URL site, your company personal link here. That's what you're going to put here. Okay, you want to put that, insert that here, because that is the site that you're going to be referring to once they opt into your free lead system. Okay, so that's your company's personal link. SBC in the autoresponder series. You can test the link here. Once you do that, you're going to see this page here. You see? This is the site, the landing sales page, video sales page that people go to once they already opt into the free lead system, and the free lead system sends them an autoresponder inviting them on the link to view the primary business. Okay, so this is where they're going to land. This tutorial section here is over.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen.
So thank you.